Today, we're going to learn how to craft an eye-catching outro for your videos using CapCut on your PC. Whether you want a quick, polished result using a template, or you're ready to build something totally custom to match your brand, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create an outro that leaves your viewers with a great final impression and a solid reason to come back for more. Let's dive right in. First, I'll walk you through the template route. This is perfect if you're short on time or just want something that looks professional without a lot of fuss. In your CapCut PC app, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Click into the Templates section. Here, you can search for Outro. Take a moment to browse around. There are usually a variety of layouts ranging from clean and minimal to vibrant and energetic, so pick one that suits your style or channel vibe. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, just drag it right into your project timeline. From here, it's all about making it your own. CapCut makes customization pretty straightforward. Just click on any element in the template to edit the text, switch out colors, or swap icons and images for your specific branding. For instance, you can update the text to include your channel name, social media handles, or a friendly "thanks for watching." If you have signature colors, update the palette to match. Little tweaks like this go a long way in making your outro feel cohesive with the rest of your video content. Don't forget to add those finishing touches. Try jazzing up your outro with some extra effects, simple fade-ins, or even a catchy music track that fits your style. CapCut's animation and effects panels are really easy to explore. Experiment a little and see what elevates your outro without making it feel cluttered. Sometimes, subtle is best. A gentle transition or a quick highlight can make sure your call to action stands out. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, simply click on Export at the top right to save your finished video. CapCut will render it for you, so just sit back for a moment while it does its thing. Now, maybe you're someone who likes full creative control, and I totally get that. Let's create a custom outro from scratch. First, scroll to the end of your main video timeline and drag in any outro clips, still images, or graphic elements you want to use. This is like setting the stage for your final scene. Want to add some text? Head over to the Text tab, add a text box, and drag it onto your timeline right where you want your outro to appear. Here's where you can take it up a notch with animation. Select your text layer, then move the playback cursor to the start of the outro section. Position your text where you want it to first appear, and add a keyframe. That's like marking its starting spot. Then, move the cursor to where you want the animation to end. Reposition the text, and set another keyframe. The length of the text layer in your timeline actually controls how quickly or slowly your animation plays out, so feel free to play around until it feels just right. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. CapCut makes it super easy to tweak and preview. Looking to add even more personality? You can use the animation panel to insert in and out effects for not just text but any element in your outro. For example, you might want your channel handle to pop in with a slide or bounce, or fade out as the video wraps up. Next, smooth out the transition from your main video to the outro by clicking into the Transitions tab. Drag and drop a transition, maybe a simple fade or a cool swipe, right between the ending clip and your outro. This helps everything flow, so your viewers aren't stuck with any jarring cuts. When you're absolutely satisfied with the look and feel of your custom outro, it's time for the final step: export. Again, just hit that Export button, and CapCut will handle all the rendering. Take a moment to review the finished product and get ready to impress your audience with a polished ending that encourages them to subscribe, follow, or check out your next video. That's it for creating compelling outros in CapCut. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides, tips, and tricks to make your videos shine. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.